How to cancel Spotify Premium. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can cancel your Spotify Premium subscription. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Spotify app in your mobile and make sure that you are logged in with your account. And once you have opened the Spotify app, simply tap on the gear icon shown on the top right corner and you will enter the settings section. Now on the settings section, you simply have to scroll down and tap on premium plan and you will be prompted to your account section. Now you have to tap on option named See Premium Plans. And once you see the interface like this, you should simply scroll down to the bottom and here you will see the option for cancelling subscription. You simply have to tap on that and follow the instructions to confirm, and your account will be switched to the free plan at the end of your current billing cycle. And that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.